Welcome back to the channel today. Please subscribe. But first off, we have to change which colour of the story because we're still hiding from the police, aren't we? Go. Now well, we're basically not hiding away from them anymore. But all my other stuff's blue, so we might as well change all of it to blue and black. Isn't it, guys? In it. So we might as well paint all my cars to this color. There. So now we're buying a lorry trailer. We need one for the store animal that I own, because we haven't got a lorry trailer yet. This one way again, I paid for it online, so I don't pay for it again. We have to try painting this lorry trailer. See if we can. Hopefully we can. And there's actually wood on the inside, really. So, if you're wondering why he's here today, the alt, I don't know. He jumped in my truck and then said that I'm coming with you. Even though he's a betrayer. Who actually died in the last video apparently. But you see it right now. So I think the last guy, my old other friend, was lying to me. Wait, no. We're supposed to have a look to see if we can paint anything else on the trailer. And see if we can get all the square off the lorry and the trailer. Showing rich and we do. I wonder what that did. Oh, it's the inside. The wood. It doesn't matter. Ma, you having food, are you? No, it's fine. Okay. Fine. Yeah. I'm exhausted. There. Sometimes you could have an outside place, so we need that. Now, the stuff at the store apparently that I need to take over to people. One thing. Now, we need to get some ramps because we're supposed to be taking one of the ATVs. I don't know what ATV. I need these ramps. I'll see you guys when I get the ATV out. Guys, I got it wrong. It's the car that was supposed to be picking up. This is the car. Don't know why it has lights on the top panel, but it doesn't matter. Maybe it's buying Chief. Let's see what. So I'm gonna have to take these amber lights off the truck, and sorry about this. Oh god, the window if I can. I've got a certain colour they asked for on you. Certain stuff they asked for to go on you. Oh no. What's happening? Guys, I'll see you in a minute. And then actually can get the car on the trailer. Well guys, it looks like we're not going to be able to take the car. Actually, we could. Let's get the wheels first. And then we can tow it behind us. Attach, and then attach. Yeah, boy. You can attach the car. But, yeah, we can't do it just this moment. Because we have to get a forklift to bring the stuff that we need. I'll see you guys now. Got the forklift. I just need to figure out how to load stuff. And this is my first time going to try to do this. I actually never done this, so I don't know how to do this. Come on. Oh. Sorry guys, it's pause. I got all the stuff, we just need to put it in the trailer. We're just getting the car now. Got the car. Let's just get to the trailer. Then we can actually base it down. Hasn't even got connected. Keep disconnecting, so that means we can't give them the tool hit. This tool later. First, let's get the next thing. And these, and these, and these. Oh, they shake the flags better. Let's do that's here only. Well guys, I got it all in the truck. You just need to start making them. And we've got the car connected, so connect the truck now. Even better than I thought. Oh my god. We've done some tires once there. So if you guys want to double check car back and stuff now. Just connect it all guys. Just hit the tires and good stuff again. Come on, it's gone now. At least it's just me. Right, apparently it's a girl, so they want this car pink. Damn, this car's strong. Be pulling along. Okay, I have an idea. involves us coming back in the shop, reversing. But even if the car gets broken, doesn't matter because we're at a repair shop, because we need to keep it anyway. So it'll cost more on this, sorry, but doesn't matter. Pink, a nice bright pink and white. No, and red. No, purple, I think this is. What kind of repair? Let's do a nice, yeah, black. Just gonna see. Hey! So we got this. That's why I had done that to it. And 10% suspension. And go all the way down. Now, and attachments. And add that. Go to that. Paint. There. So this is the car upgrade. There. I'm just going to keep the back door open because there is really no point of closing it. Stop yesting! So let's start going. Oh gosh. Can't last thing. I don't know if it's seen like this with the car. What even happened to the car? How did this even happen? I'll see you guys when I get this unstuck. Got it unstuck. There. This has stamping it. I don't know why they want all of this. That has to be in a truckload. The car has to be going behind. This is end house by Look at that. Fun. Oh, But it's 2 minutes, so they must be inside and they have no car. So they ask for this car. And that's that pink car. I just hope you don't have a delivery in that. I hope you do, but I hope you don't. So I can tell what the next delivery would be. Well, actually, we can okay. And understand this. They are for 5 minutes. Don't ask me. Nice to be without you. They must be nothing because of the light in the shop, or maybe they're home just in bed. for Shambuzi boombox. Must be a really good fan of the shampoos. I don't want to be placing it all in their way for when they try driving it in the morning. I'll put them in the strap like they asked. So when we get back, we need to check if we have any more orders. Because I have a feeling we're going to have another order for them. Because I can't get this flagpole out, I'm just gonna have to ask I'm just gonna have to use that to try get up there. Well, not the best, it's not ideal thing, but it's all I can do. I wonder why they need loads of cones. They needed a whole stack of them. And they need weed. Come down, please, guys. What do you think they need weed for? Over slightly to right here. Yeah, and we're going to get them out different time. Just going to tell them they got stuck in the because that's what did happen. Because we cannot get out. What's this? Well, we got it. Oh, they need a bench. They got a tent and all these. No more business, so they need to.
Yeah.
And then I'm just going to leave the last. Let's go into the bench. Oh, bench down, and place that on top. And then that, and can start in. So I'll see you guys when we go back. We'll go back. No? Please truck. Yes? Oh, great. They ordered, they did order a truck. Apparently they ordered this truck. The same people as that. I think they just ordered it after. Maybe tomorrow or something. That they didn't feel like that they ordered something.